Hello and welcome back. It's VLD, you know the drill. Today's video is about a product for any iPad Pro series. It is the Hagibis foldable magnetic iPad stand with docking station. It can be picked up off Amazon for around $100. It is a magnetic mount for any iPad Pro 12.9 inch. They also make a version for the iPad Air and the iPad Pro. It will work with most iPads minus the entry level one. This stand will make any iPad into more of a workhorse. With all the ports anyone will need, even with a stand, it makes it easier for browsing, entertainment, or drawing. This is definitely something to check out. Most mounts you can pick up off Amazon will go anywhere from $60 to $100. This one is more in the middle, around $100, but this also gives you HDMI, USB-A, USB-C, SD card slots, and a headphone jack. I will take a closer look at all the features, discuss why it is worth it. Also, this works with any inside case, which is meant for the Magic Keyboard. Like Patika has an inside case for any iPad that will fit comfortably inside the Magic Keyboard. Firstly, the Hagibis stand is designed to be portable, making it easy to carry around wherever. It is also made with high quality aluminum alloy, which gives it a sleek and modern look. Inside the box, you get magnetic mount. There is also a soft rubber texture on the front to avoid scratching the iPad. Right side has all of the ports. The base itself has 4 rubber feet to avoid the mount from moving around too much. A small USB Type-C to Type-C data cable that does do video out. A screwdriver with a couple of screws for the base. Assembling is fairly straightforward for a tabletop magnetic stand offering multiple ports, decent build quality, and under $100. This is quite competitive. It can rotate 360 degrees, which allows it to be adjusted for any viewing angle. The neck can swivel up and down 80 degrees. The only downside is, with this device, it might feel a little bit too stiff when trying to rotate it. The magnets are durable, the iPad won't go anywhere. One of the standout features of the stand is the docking station. It has 2 USB-C ports. The bottom one is just for charging, and the top one is for connecting it to the dock. Sadly, no data transferring. This does have pass-through charging. Once the dock is connected to the iPad can be charged. On the side of the mount, the ports are HDMI that does do 4K 60, 2 full USB-A ports for hooking up whatever, full-size and micro SD card slots, USB Type-C just for charging, a 3.5mm headphone jack for audio, plugging in the USB Type-C to Type-C. Technically, any cable will work if this is lost or busted, as long as it offers video out. Testing out all of the ports, everything works as advertised. Except one thing. For the life of me, I cannot get the HDMI to work. Testing out multiple monitors and different cables yields the same result. Even testing out the same connection to my Dogo 3, everything works perfectly. With process of elimination, I can only assume it is the dock that is busted. All the ports will work except for HDMI, which does work with my Dogo 3, which leads me to assume I have a faulty unit. With one main selling point not working, no video out, leads to no external monitor support, and no stage manager. Maybe this product is just bad, maybe I just have a lemon. Overall, the Hagibis stand is a fantastic product that is definitely worth checking out. It's lightweight and portable. The docking station makes it highly versatile and can be used for a whole range of activities. With me being me, I picked up the same unit from another brand called Qwiizlab. At the time, this was only $80. It is a little bit cheaper than the first one. Does this one have the same problem, or did I just have a lemon? Inside the box, everything looks familiar. It is the same exact product minus no branding on the front. It does have a sticker. It is the same exact product, same ports, same cables, same screwdriver. Nothing new is here. The only difference I can tell from the first one, trying to rotate it, seems a little bit more stiff. Maybe there are quality control issues. The Hagibis version wasn't as bad. More force is needed here just to rotate it. The pivoting hinge up and down just fine. The Qwiizlab magnetic stand here, you have the same type A ports, a headphone jack, both micro and full size, SD card slots, USB Type-C for charging, pass-through to connect to the iPad, all of the usual bells and whistles. Now, getting to the elephant in the room is the HDMI port. In the first one, that thing would not connect to anything whatsoever. Here is quite different. Everything here works. The stand will output 4K at 60 Hz. Stage Manager, external monitor support here work just fine. I'm guessing the first one was just a lemon. You have to love the Amazon return policy. These types of products help make the iPad stand out further more into a dedicated computer. Is this type of product perfect? Absolutely no. Does it help enhance the iPad experience? Definitely. Sitting at around $100 makes it a compelling product just because such devices from Luludeck or Banks offer similar products for around the same price point. Here it offers more features. If hubs are a necessity with everything built into the stand itself, the only thing needed is a data cable. Being lightweight, made from metal, and the build quality is actually quite nice. It only weighs 960 grams or about 2 pounds. You can toss it into your bag. If someone is looking for a stand for drawing, maybe look towards the Banks Infinity Pro 360. At the end of the day, this is a magnetic stand to possibly look at. I also have extra footage comparing this to the Kensington Studio Dock. Just comparing this to the Kensington iPad stand, they are two completely different beasts. The Kensington docking station is meant to be more stationary and not really travel friendly. It weighs around 9 pounds. Imagine carrying this around in a backpack. It's big and bulky. Right now, you can pick this up off Amazon for around $170. When it first launched, it was $400. It is a lot cheaper. There are like 4 different versions for the Air, the Pro. It gets sort of confusing with how the USB-C connector is. It can get really tight with the case or a screen protector. The Qwiizlab is easier to travel with. Kensington is 9 pounds. Compared to 2, plus Qwiizlab will charge with any USB-C charger. Kensington needs its own power brick. The Kensington is best for being stationary. Qwiizlab is better for traveling. Kensington has the most ports of any other dock. You have 3 USB-A ports, USB Type-C on the side for charging, an HDMI port, an Ethernet port, and a 3.5 audio jack. 2 wireless charging pads on the bottom for charging 2 phones. Also, an optional adapter to charge your Apple Watch for $60. This is meant to be a centerpiece around any workstation. Overall, the Kensington docking station is a fantastic accessory for anyone who uses their iPad Pro for work. Having all the ports, the wireless charging, the ability to connect to a wired station makes it a compelling investment. Whether you're using the iPad Pro for graphic design, video editing, or any other demanding task, the Kensington iPad docking station is sure to enhance productivity. Any of these docks will enhance your experience. Like always, it's VLD. Thank you for watching and stay classy.